journey to landing in its support role. I am excited to share my experience of how I secured my first job in a technical support role. Despite coming from an IT background, a prolonged gap after my studies made it challenging to enter the IT field. I initiated my journey by preparing for a helpdesk role. Today, I'll provide you with the details and steps to follow to achieve your goal, ensuring that even those from a non-IT background can transition successfully into IT support. Success in this journey relies on your passion for learning and your dedication. Initially, grasping hardware-software network troubleshooting methods and accumulating knowledge from YouTube, blogs, and websites might seem overwhelming. However, trust me, the more tutorials you read or watch, the more confident you'll become. I'm here to share my story to encourage you to start working towards switching your career from a non-technical to an IT support field. Let's begin without any delay. I started by watching numerous YouTube videos to understand the basic concepts of hardware, software, network, and security. I created notes with simple word demonstrations, listing technical terms used in IT support jobs such as hardware, software, network, processor, printer, SLA, ticketing system, etc. I delved into YouTube videos and multiple websites covering IT helpdesk roles and responsibilities, interview questions and answers, behavioral questions and answers, situational questions and answers, and the STAR method for answering situational examples. I prepared notes for every unfamiliar keyword with explanations. Research on Indeed's website helped me understand what employers look for in entry-level IT support technical support roles. I printed out 10 job descriptions from the Indeed portal for entry-level roles, highlighting all the necessary skills, keywords, tools, methods, and knowledge required for those positions. I resumed learning on YouTube, watching multiple channels to better understand the concepts. I even watched live demo videos to visualize how things work. While mastering every term might be challenging, remember that employers don't expect expertise in every area mentioned in the job description. However, having theoretical knowledge of those topics is crucial in case they are asked about during interviews. Don't hesitate to watch as many interview question and answer tech support videos as possible. Your confidence will grow with each session. After continuous watching for 10 days, you'll notice that many questions and answers start to repeat. I listed out all the tools necessary to learn as mentioned in the job descriptions. For example, ticketing systems, Active Directory, user and group management, print management, Microsoft 365 apps. Find tutorials and print out any necessary dashboards that are complicated to remember. For instance, ServiceNote ticketing system. Prepare diagrams, notes, or printouts, whichever aids in understanding and remembering the information thoroughly. Now, let's talk about the soft skills mentioned in these 10 job descriptions. Detail-oriented skills. Demonstrate your attention to detail by meticulously proofreading documents, catching errors, and consistently delivering accurate work. Mention instances where your keen eye for detail positively impacted project outcomes. Multitasking. Showcase your ability to manage multiple tasks efficiently. Share examples of handling simultaneous responsibilities, prioritizing effectively, and meeting deadlines without compromising the quality of work. CSAT customer satisfaction. Provide examples of instances where you went above and beyond to ensure customer satisfaction. Highlight any specific feedback or testimonials you received, emphasizing your commitment to delivering exceptional service. Problem-solving troubleshooting. Illustrate your problem-solving skills by narrating situations where you successfully resolved technical issues. Emphasize your analytical thinking and how you approach challenges with a solution-oriented mindset. Self-learner. Share instances where you took the initiative to learn a new skill independently. Discuss any self-paced courses, certifications, or projects you undertook to enhance your knowledge and contribute to your professional growth. Motivated person. Provide examples of projects or tasks where your motivation led to exceptional results. Highlight instances where you proactively took on responsibilities beyond your role, showcasing your enthusiasm for your work. Teamwork. Describe successful collaborations with team members on projects. Emphasize your ability to work harmoniously with diverse teams, contributing positively to the group's objectives. Organizational skills. Showcase your organizational skills by describing projects where you efficiently managed resources, timelines, and deliverables. Highlight instances where your organizational abilities contributed to project success. Job market preparation. 1. Resume building. Print out interview question answers from Google, highlighting skills and keywords. Research unfamiliar terms immediately. Use these as a reference and not a direct copy. Tailor your resume according to each JD's skill sets. 2. LinkedIn profile. Strengthen your LinkedIn profile with essential skills, education details, and comprehensive descriptions of past work experiences. Connect with professionals in similar roles. Follow companies of interest and showcase your learned skills. 3. Networking. Connect with recruiting agencies and professionals in your field. Review profiles for skills, companies, and roles. Engage in meaningful conversations to build a strong network. Apply for entry-level roles and establish connections for future opportunities. 4. Job application process. Apply to roles with easy apply features. For positions requiring applications through the company's website, craft tailored resumes and cover letters. Keep a meticulous record of applications in named folders for efficient tracking and follow-ups. By following these steps, you can systematically prepare for the job market, ensuring your skills are well represented in your resume, LinkedIn profile, and job applications. In certain instances, job opportunities necessitate submitting applications through the company's official website. Job application process. 1. Application through company website. For job posts that require application through the original company website, additional efforts are needed to make a strong impression. Consider writing a compelling email to the HR department showcasing your enthusiasm and qualifications. 2. Customize resumes and cover letters. Tailor your resume and cover letter for each job description's specific skill sets. Create a separate folder or subfolders for each company, organizing resumes and CVS based on the targeted job roles. This systematic approach will aid in efficient tracking. 3. Documentation organization. Save all customized resumes and CVS until you secure a job. Organize them by company names and job roles within folders for easy access. This method facilitates tracking applications and streamlines follow-ups with HR for specific roles. Interview preparation. 4. Introduction preparation. Prepare a concise yet comprehensive introduction for interviews. Include key aspects of your background, educational achievements, and relevant work experiences. This introduction provides a solid foundation for discussions during interviews. 5. Time frame consideration. Recognize that the process of building confidence and attempting interviews may take 3 to 4 months. Give yourself time to acquire the necessary skills and overcome any fear of lacking technical experience. Persevere through challenges and stay committed to the learning process. 6. Persistence and confidence. Understand that success in the job search is not an instantaneous outcome. Cultivate persistence and confidence in your abilities over time. Consistent effort and dedication will contribute to your professional growth and job search success. Conclusion. Remember, the journey from application to job offer is a gradual process. By meticulously tailoring your application materials, staying organized, and investing time in preparation, you position yourself for success in the competitive job market. Keep learning, refining your skills, and stay persistent. Your efforts will pay off. Don't give up on your goals. Here's a step-by-step guide on what to do when you get any invitation for interview. 1. Respond promptly. Acknowledge the invitation as soon as possible. Express your gratitude for the opportunity and confirm your availability for the scheduled interview date and time. 2. Prepare confirmation details. Ensure you have all the necessary details for the interview, such as the interview location if it's in person or the online meeting link if it's virtual. Confirm whether there are any specific instructions or preparations required. 3. Research the company. Revisit your knowledge about the company. Understand its mission, values, recent news, and the role you are interviewing for. Be prepared to explain why you are interested in the company and how you align with its values. 4. Review the job description. Go through the job description again to refresh your memory about the specific skills and qualifications they are looking for. Prepare examples from your experience that demonstrate how you meet these criteria. 5. Understand the interview format. Clarify whether the interview will be in person, over the phone, or through video conferencing. If it's a virtual interview, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and familiarize yourself with the video platform being used. 6. Prepare answers to common questions. Anticipate and rehearse responses to common interview questions. Be ready to discuss your background, relevant experience, strengths, weaknesses, and how you approach problem solving. 7. Gather your materials. Prepare multiple copies of your resume, a list of references, and any other documents the employer may have requested. Have a notepad and pen for jotting down important points during the interview. 8. Dress appropriately. Choose an outfit that aligns with the company culture. Dress professionally, even if the interview is conducted virtually. Pay attention to grooming and choose neutral colors. 9. Practice your elevator pitch. Be ready to introduce yourself briefly, summarizing your professional background, key skills, and what makes you a strong fit for the position. This is often the first question in interviews. 10. Prepare questions. Have a list of thoughtful questions to ask the interviewer. This demonstrates your genuine interest in the position and company. Questions could be about the team dynamics, company culture, or specific projects. 11. Plan your route for in-person interviews. If the interview is in person, plan your route to the location in advance. Consider traffic conditions, parking options, and the time needed to reach the destination. 12. Follow up. Send a thank you email shortly after the interview, expressing your appreciation for the opportunity. Reiterate your interest in the position and briefly mention key points from the interview that highlight your qualifications. Never set overly high expectations or let disappointment overshadow your responses during interviews. It's essential to navigate the process without succumbing to mental pressure. There will be instances when you may not know a single accurate answer to the interviewer's questions, and other times you'll excel by providing detailed responses. The key is to keep trying. With each interview, you gain more confidence. Embrace the learning curve, understanding that there will be challenging moments and breakthroughs alike. Persist in your efforts, and one day you will find success.